Hello guys, my name is James O. Charles. I am at Jamie on Steemit. I'm trying to go through my blog on Steemit. This is Single, a very nice guy. Uh, okay. Okay, yeah. That's me, James O. Charles, and at Jamie on Steemit. What's this video about? So Passing Google said something about helping one another and helping the community to grow and that. And it just came to my mind this morning that if I can develop myself, build myself, I'll be able to help others as well. Because you cannot give what you don't have. It is what you have that you can give out. Now, what do I have? What can I give out? I thought if I'm able to give out like $5 to two different people on a weekly basis to newcomers whose reputation is no more than 30, 40, or at most 40, it would really help them to have more confidence in Steemit. But how do I do that when I don't even have that? So I thought about my Steam Connect, my BitConnect account. Now on my BitConnect account, my total investment is $200. And on that, I thought if I'm able to make like $5 every day from my BitConnect account, I can be able to give out $10 or $15 weekly to people, at least 3 different people every week. That is, I'll give out $5 to 3 different people on weekly basis, and which is a lot of money to people like us. And doing that, it will encourage more people to have confidence in Steemit. A lot of minors are out there and they've not been able to make a penny from Steemit. How do I intend to do that? Now, if you check my lending wallet, I have $22 left there. And my total investment is $200. That means on daily basis, I make nothing less than $2. That is on average $2. What if I'm not able to make $5 daily? That would be good. And with that, I'll be able to give out $5 to 3 different people, one person per day, 3 times in a week. But how do I now get $300 to add to my investment to make it $500? So this idea came to me. On daily basis, I'll be making videos showing my BitConnect wallet on how much I've been able to reinvest. I intend to add $300 more, but I don't have the capital. So this video is going out to all good Steemians who are good Samaritans to help me in able to achieve this goal. On daily basis, I'll make a video showing you how much I have in my BitConnect account, showing you the upvotes that I had from the previous post and how much I need more to meet up with the $500 target. My present active investment is $200, so I need $300 more. And I know that there are people out there that can upvote this post and give me as much as possible so that I can add more to this investment. Now, with this investment, making $5 daily would go a long way in helping a lot of people. This is my idea of helping people. So what do I need to do? All I need to do is just, for now, is open a post. And on the post, I'll title it, I don't know yet, but let's say we call it $5. Okay, don't let me use 5, let me use 5 SBD. 5 SBD for 3 minus weekly. So every week from this post that we're making, we'll be getting more people to show their interest in it. There's no contest, nothing. All you just need to do is just upload the post, resteam, and then drop a comment saying give it to me. That's all. That's all you need to do as a minor. Just upload the post, resteam the post, and just put a comment, give it to me. That's all you need to do. And once you do that, your name will be added to the list. And randomly, we would pick 3 people every week. On the 7th day, 3 people will be picked and they'll be given $5 each. Now, one other thing that we're going to do, I think that's all we need to do. That's all we need to do. So I'm using this to employ as many good Samaritans out there, as many good Stimians out there, to kindly come to my aid to be able to help people. The focus is not on me, it's on helping minors, to give them $5 daily. I mean, 3 people get $5 weekly. Now, once you've gotten it once in a week, that means you'll not be able to get for that month till the following month. I know there are a lot of people that does not believe in BitConnect. There are a lot of people out there who does not believe in BitConnect. They see it as a Ponzi scheme, as a scam. But whatever motive you have behind it, whatever idea you have behind it, whatever point of view or opinion you have about BitConnect, please, I'm imploring us, let's put that aside and look at the future of what I'm trying to do here. Okay, even if after a month BitConnect does not exist any longer, if it's just 1 day or 2 days you are able to help people to do this, it will go a long way. So I'm employing you one more time to please kindly upvote this post. Give it as many percentage as you can, and I know that as you do this, you'll be blessed and you have the joy in your heart that you're helping someone. I can talk of people that I know that they are really doing good in this community. The first person in my mind is Surpassing Google. He's a great guy, and I've seen so much that he's doing in this teammate community. I've heard about Stella Bella. I think I might get the name right. Yeah, I think it's Stella Bella. Though I have not really had much encounter with her, but I've heard about her, and I believe that she too is doing so much to help this community. Let me try and see if I can get the name. Okay, yeah, that's her. Then also I've heard of Infovore. That's also another great guy, a Nigerian. For that, I even heard this one that is an Igbo. How do they go themselves in that place? I don't know. It's all good, yeah. But the point is this, that these 3 guys that I've made mention, they are great people. Stella is a female, Infovore is a male, I think, and then Surpassing Google is a male as well. Then I've heard about Jerry Banfield. I have my research about him, but I don't know yet. I'm still trying to see what he's doing to help the community. But what I've seen so far is just about himself, though telling us how he made this, telling us how he made that. I don't know. I've not really had much encounter. I've not really heard much positive reviews about him, but I believe it too is doing something good. And then Bullion Stalker, that guy has principles. He flagged my brother one time like that due to the fact that he was making posts about racism. I don't know. I have my comments. I have my self comment on that, but that one's for another day. So guys, Sam Stick, kudos to you. Tojukaka, kudos to you. These are great guys. And then Hevlin, one wonderful woman. Ogowina, you too. I cite you. You guys are great. So I just want to beg you guys, though it's all good, Sha. It's all good. Let's try and support this idea and see how far we can go. Tomorrow again, I'll be making another video and then showing us how far today's post was able to meet up with, if we are able to make it up with the target. Thank you, and I believe that who will be richly blessed by this. Peace. Sign out.